It's very hard for me to remove these AirPods. Oh, wow. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to unbox these fake AirPods Pro. Yes, you've heard it right. These are fake AirPods. And in this video, I want to look to a couple of things. First of all, the quality of those AirPods. Secondly, how this box is built. Does it look original? Has it some original elements? Can you see that these AirPods are fake just from the box? Third, how they are compatible with the iPhone. And finally, can you charge them wirelessly? So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So yeah, I got these AirPods and I was just flabbergasted. How is it possible that these AirPods are fake? Just from the look of the box, they look pretty original. Even how you can unbox them. The plastic is really tight around it. On the bottom of this box, we see that these AirPods are made for wireless charging and that they are like designed by Apple in California, but made in China. But I can guarantee you that these AirPods are fake. So let's first see how the unboxing goes. Okay. Okay, so that's the very first flag that should pop up. If this happens to you, then you know your AirPods are fake. This is just a sticker that they have sticked on the box, and actually you cannot unbox them right from that sticker. So we should find somewhere, yeah, this is where you need to unbox them. So be very careful, folks. Whenever you see that thing happening, you know for sure that those AirPods are fake. So, well, those AirPods are not coming from Apple, that for sure, because I've unboxed many AirPods in the past and I can guarantee you that's not how you should peel the plastic. I immediately, just from unboxing it, I'm not even able to remove the lid. We all know how it goes whenever you unbox an iPhone or any product from Apple. The lid slides off, but that's not happening with these AirPods. So I guess. Okay, so finally I managed to remove that lid. And well, first of all, in the box we have some paperwork and it seems very legit. What we see here, it's just some paperwork showing us how those AirPods work. It looks very legit. Let's put that on the side. We don't have any stickers, but that doesn't matter. Let's go over and see what's more inside this box. So we have the actual AirPods, and on that later on. Let's see what's inside the box. Well, we already see how messy they box that cable in. Just from that messiness, you can tell that your AirPods are fake. Let's go ahead and see how those buds looks like. I've unboxed an AirPods Pro in the past, and I can tell you that even the paper doesn't feel premium. Even these tips that presumably needs to be from silicone, I assume that, I can tell just from touching it that they are silicone, but it might be something else. But let's go ahead and see how these AirPods are. So let's reveal that. And I can already tell that there is a kind of thing happening here. Okay, so the closing feels very natural. It feels very premium, the opening and closing of those AirPods. But right here, not sure if it is visible on camera, right here, you see that it's not closed well. This cover is not well made for the bottom of this case. So that's something that I'm concerned about, especially when you're working with your AirPods for a very long time. Let's say you have them for a year and you're closing and you're opening and closing that lid like multiple times for a whole year. I believe that lid will eventually break just because it's not well made for the bottom of these AirPods. So let's see how they feel. And I can tell right from touching it. So it seems like these tips are glued into the AirPods. If I try to remove them, it's just not possible. And with the original ones, you can just remove these tips and put them back within seconds. And now I'm just pulling on these lids, but it doesn't seem they don't budge. It's very hard for me to remove these AirPods. Oh, wow. So I've broke them. Oh no. Wow. Okay. So that wasn't okay. That shouldn't happen. But yeah, as you see, I'm trying to remove those lids and the whole AirPod just breaks. So yeah, that's a bummer. And this is how those AirPods looks like from the inside, I believe. But let's go ahead and see how this looks. Yeah, well, we've already tested out. Let's see if I get these out of the AirPods. No, that's not happening. So apparently I can change those lids. I'm just stuck with the lids that are already on the AirPods, but that doesn't matter. Let's see how the compatibility is with these AirPods with iPhone. Before that, one more thing. I believe just from touching that button, I can tell whether AirPods are fake or not. Obviously, these AirPods are fake. I can tell just from how the finish is made. But if I click on that button, yeah, the feel of that button feels quite premium. So I'll give them that. But let's go ahead and see how the compatibility is between the AirPods and the iPhone. So yeah, they were drained out of battery, so I had to plug them in. One more thing though, even when plugging them in on a charger, it doesn't feel quite natural. It feels very cheap, doesn't feel premium at all. And that's not what I'm used from Apple. Okay, we get also that animation, so that's cool as well. The battery is at 100%, even though I doubt that because just a second ago, it took me just the longest time just to connect them to the iPhone. But hey, they say it's 100%, so let's give them that. Let's see. So yeah, obviously you cannot hear with me. Well, actually you might. Let's just take something out of, let's go with Unbox Therapy. Oh, I believe that Joe Rogan has a podcast with Unbox Therapy, it seems.
What a perfect time to have Lewis from Unbox Therapy on.
Okay, so no, they are not connected. Let's do it one more time.
Our TriCaster's taking a big
Okay, so there's no connection whatsoever. I put them in my ear.
fat shit because we updated this.
Okay, so no, there is no connection whatsoever with the iPhone and the AirPods, even though the iPhone says, oh, well, actually just a second ago it said that there should be a connection between your iPhone and the AirPods, but that's not the case, guys. So yeah, everything wrong with these AirPods. Just spend that $200 if you want to have the AirPods Pro. If you want to go with a fake one, no, just don't go with Apple. Go for a cheaper model. Yeah, you can go. There's a lot more option than just the AirPods. You can go for Beats by Dre. I believe the Solo 3 is about $130. So those are quite cheap and they are the best. I've used them for 2 years now and they work just fine. Don't buy this crap because this is just a waste of money. And yeah, that's actually it. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions about these fixed AirPods, just leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video as you can help me through that YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.